Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain why gauge is essential in crocheting clothes. So we will talk about tension. I have exactly 50 grams of a double knit yarn. I have divided it into two equal parts, 5 grams each. I want to create a two practice swatch, something resembling a square or rectangle, whatever it will be more similar to. You know, there are people who crochet loosely and others who crochet tightly, so I'm definitely the first one. In one practice swatch I will crochet using my normal tension, so loosely, and in my second practice swatch I will try to have a tighter yarn tension. Okay, I have finished. In both practice swatches there are 40 half double crochets in each rows. Let's check them out. So the first one has exactly 10 inches and the second one 8.5 inches. Now let's check the length difference. So first practice swatch looks like 8.5 and second one I think similar. It's also 8.5, maybe 8.7, so almost same. And in first square in the second square I done 30 rows and in the first one I done 26 rows. Oh, sorry, 25 rows. So as you can see, if my tension is tighter, I need to do more rows to achieve the same length. Using the same amount of yarn, my first practice swatch loosely is larger and definitely more soft. However, my loosely practice swatch is also more transparent. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but I can definitely see the holes are bigger in my first practice swatch. Thanks for watching guys, bye!